Okay guys, here's how we can drop items in Roblox mobile. So what we want to do is just load up Roblox here, the Roblox application. Then I'm going to search for Bed Wars. Now this works for most games. So right here I'll just open up Bed Wars. I'm gonna launch the game and I'm going to expand it in a second here. Okay, so I'm just going to expand the game so you see it better like this. Okay. Now what we want to do is join a queue. So I'm going to click on play and I will just join the tutorial to show you. Okay, so once we have the game itself loaded, the one that we want to drop items in, find your items here in the bottom. And if you're given an option to use the inventory, then you can just click on the inventory itself. So for me, it's going to be E here. And if you have any items, you can just press and hold on them and drop them. Or for example, if I want to drop this sword here, I'll just click on the sword itself and hold. And as you can see, this makes me drag it. And here, if you're allowed to drop it anywhere, you can just release and it's gonna drop. But the sword is not allowed to be released because it's, mandatory for you to have. And that's basically how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.